What's up everybody, Logan here, NFT Tiger is back with another brand new project. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform from where you can generate best return, because I always try my best to introduce kind of project from where my community can generate best return, their investment remains safe. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice, so do it with your own reach and study this platform because it's your responsibility also. I try my best to find out some best project with the full of potential, but you have to verify each and everything by yourself. And if you think you can generate the best return and it's quite reasonable for you and it's acceptable price, so you can very important to understand, because it's very important to tell you all the detail regarding that. And basically it's a meme coin community driven, so all the information is given like tokenomics, community, roadmap, partners and contacts. And one of the most few things that very important to tell you that that inspired me to introduce this platform, and that is their community and their partners. They have a very strong partners community who is backing up this platform, and looks to me this platform can achieve the place it deserves. And in 2024 this project, a few of them that can achieve the target. So here you can see like many fake memes coin, because there are plenty of meme coins that are a scam, but this is one of the special platform from where you can generate best return in the future. So it's driven by the power of the community, and it's fully prepared for the success. There is no end to the top. So with the power of app and Apepe, where we are trying to reach a new norms. Okay, so here's the detail, and if you scroll down a bit you will get more information regarding Apepe coin. And next it's available on Uniswap and exchange, and next you can see you can join their community, their DAX tool chart, and you can check on coin market cap. So each and everything is very clean and clear, and you need not worry about anything. So I will discuss to you later. First we'll discuss the main page, and after that I will tell you all the detail. So it's very important to tell you how you can buy that. So you need to install your MetaMask to App Store, to Google. You can click on Google or App Store and download MetaMask, and after that deposit Polygon. That will you can buy and from exchange or directly from the MetaMask, right? It's so simple. Just you download MetaMask and there's no fee. So connect your wallet by access the link above and PancakeSwap, and check if the contract address is Apepe. So you can easily connect the address, and after that you can easily connect to your wallet and MetaMask with the site, and you can buy that. Enter the amount of the BNB to trade with Apepe. There is no tax, and you can usually set the slippage up to 0.01 or 0.010 in the settings. Okay, so next if you scroll down, so you can see here the exchanges, plenty of exchanges will list soon. At the moment it's available on Uniswap. You can click on Uniswap and get more information about that. So let's see, and we'll check it out on Uniswap. So here we go. So I will show you all the detail, because it's very important to provide you a proper guideline regarding that, so how you can join that and how you can buy that. So it's very important. So here you can see guys, you can easily buy or sell on Uniswap. So it's a perfect idea. You can easily buy from here. Okay, so next I will show you the detail about their tokenomics. So here you can see the tokenomics details. Total supply is 2.10 trillion, and next airdrop 70%, DAX and circulating supply is 10%, CEX is 10%, and reserve 10%. So the address I was telling you here, address is available, so you can see here. And next you can see their community, and I will show you the detail about the community. You can see here Apepe meme coin driven only on the power of the community, and depending on the unity of the Apepe community members, that price may go up so endlessly. And don't we be flooded by the fake meme coins. Your price is controlled by the developers, so it's mean the price will not controlled by the developers. It depend on the community, because it's a community driven. As community will jumped in, it will pumped up. So Apepe allows member to from the community and reserve reward and as well as the staking. So this is the meme Apepe that will pioneer the area of real memes, right? So it's perfect. Next I will show you detail about real Apepe. In fact, meme I will known them all down and raised to the top. So next we will show you the detail about the roadmap. It's very important to study the roadmap, what they want to do in the future, and what they are doing now, and their dreams for the future. And you're going to see step 1, a DEX listing and coin market cap listing, community opening and activations, community airdrop. Next we're going to step 2, CXC listing, and step 3, one entire exchange listing and top of memes. So the next I will show you the detail of the partners. So this is the main thing that inspired me to use this platform in front of my community, because they have a very strong partners community, and none of the project can be successful without active and strong partners. And they have a very strong partners community like LG, Namfi, Tweet, and Flips Description, and Harmonia, and plenty of partners. They have a very strong partner with backing up this platform. Next you can see the contract address is available. You can easily contact with them also and get more information regarding that. So this is a token has nothing to do with the Apepe, but we love Apepe. So all information is given. If you have any question, you can join them, and you can join Telegram, and next you can join them on Twitter, and you can mail them if you have any questions, so they will reply you as soon as possible. So it's very important to understand each and everything, because it's a matter of your investment, so it's very important, right? Next I will show you the detail about how it works. So basically, so here's the Twitter and coin market cap. We will check out the coin market cap. So here you can see, here's the detail given, guys. It's Ape and Apepe. So the information is available. You can get more detail about that, and it's very easy, and it's very important for you to get more information regarding that. Okay, so this is the information. You can click on coin market cap and you get more information. DEX tool. So here we go. So we can check on the DEX tool, and we can check its chart, how it's going on, and how it's basically working. So at the moment, you can see the market cap is 8.74 million, and liquidity you can see is 653.67k. And next, circulating SPY is 25.0 trillion. Holders you can see here 284. Okay, and next you can see the total market cap is 187.43 million, and the 24-hour volume you can see it's massive, guys. It's a perfect opportunity to jump in, and you can get more reward from here. You can join. So each and everything is mentioned, and it looks to me that Apepe can generate massive return for you in the future. So you can buy with Matic, so it's Apepe, and you can compare with the other meme coins. It's a lot of difference between other memes coins, so it's a perfect idea to join right now. So this was the detail about that, and if there's something missing, you can join me in the comment section, so I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. And hope for the best, guys, and we'll meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.